Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am sick. I apologize for my froggy voice, but in today's video, I am doing a chit chat, get ready with me. So if you don't mind the froggy voice that much and you just want to hang out and get ready with me, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. Now, I don't know what look we're going to create because I didn't plan this in my head already. I'm just turning on the camera and getting ready with you guys. So if you want to find out what look we come up with today, then just keep on watching. So first, skincare. Look at how cute this headband is. I got from BioBell. I got some exciting things to share with you guys about BioBell. Look, you just twist it and it stays. How cute is that? How cute. There's little wires in here so you can like adjust them. Make it look like cute little bunny ears or something. So cute. So I'm going to try the hashtag glam mask. This says it purifies and refines the pores. I've never tried this mask, so I'm excited to try it out. But before that, I wanted to share some exciting things happening on biobellcosmetics.com. I can't breathe, so everything I'm saying sounds so weird. First, they're having a Cyber Week promotion, so if you want to get some face masks, get in on the good deals happening for Cyber Week. Go ahead and check out the description box for all that information. Get you guys some good deals, save some money. But also, I have teamed up with BioBell to create the JaaackJack exclusive kit for you guys, and basically what it is just a handful of my favorite masks that I picked out that you guys can get, and I have a special coupon code for you guys. I believe it's a 20% off coupon code that you can use on this kit. So again, just like this Cyber Week promotion going on, I'll leave all the information in the description box for you guys, but I wanted to show you guys what my personal favorite face masks are from BioBell. So here are my 6 that you guys can pick up in the JaaackJack exclusive kit. So first we have the hashtag Stay Gorgeous. This one hydrates and nourishes the skin. We've got hashtag Beauty Scoop. This one diminishes the appearance of fine lines. You guys know I'm all about the anti-aging type of products and serums and things that go on your face. So next we have the hashtag I Woke Up Like This. This one enhances the skin's natural glow. I feel like this one is just perfect if you wake up and your skin's looking a little dull, you're looking a little tired. This is what you need. Next, we also have the hashtag Dream Skin. This one cleanses, tones, and moisturizes. And the packaging is so cute. It's like unicorns, rainbows. There's a birthday cake on here. Well, I don't know if it's birthday cake, but we're gonna pretend it's a birthday cake. We have the hashtag After Party, which soothes and brightens the skin. Ow, I just poked myself. And there's little macarons on here. It's so cute. But this one has blueberries in it and yogurt. It's really good for your skin. And then the last one in my kit is the hashtag After Party. This is a great night mask to use. This one helps to minimize the signs of aging. Again, you know, I'm all about the products that are hydrating because I have dry skin, but also have anti-aging properties because we're trying to look like we're 10 years old. I'm just kidding. No, but really, I do have some fine lines coming in, creeping in. I'm getting older, so I like to have products that kind of target that area and also my dryness. So if that sounds like your cup of tea and you guys want to try out these face masks, then click the link below and use that coupon code so you can save some money and enjoy the face mask for the holidays. But I was super excited about that, so I wanted to share that with you. So now let's move on to trying hashtag glam. This one says it purifies and refines pores, instant radiance. We like the sound of that. It has black tea extract and glycolic acid. Hydrogel lace, what? Oh, this is not like their other sheet masks. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a different one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. It's so slippery, I cannot even get it. It's very wet and slippery. Oh my gosh. I feel like there was probably a more graceful way to put that on. Oh, what did I do? This is definitely different than all the other ones I've tried. Whoa. So here's the top half. Ugh. Oh my gosh. This is not a tutorial on how to gracefully put on this face. What the heck, I need help. Oh my goodness. Time out. Okay, I figured out how to put the bottom one on. So I might have messed up this first one. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice on the skin though. I look crazy. I'm trying to rob a bank or something. Imagine someone trying to rob a bank with like one of these crazy face masks on. Oh my goodness. So it says black tea extract reveals softer, firmer, healthier looking skin. It works to re-energize the skin while glycolic acid helps to brighten and renews skin tone, texture, minimizes pores, and reduces appearance of fine lines in as little as 15 minutes, giving you a beautiful, fresh, youthful complexion. BioBell's Hydro Black Lace Mask allows the ingredients to absorb into the skin more efficiently because of how it prevents evaporation. Ooh, fun fact. This is pretty cool though. It feels amazing. It's not actually lace. It just has like a lace design, but it has a very soft, flexible jelly type consistency. Ooh. I think face masks are just so fun. They're so fun, but they're actually really great for your skin. And it's just a nice, easy way to pamper yourself without spending a bunch of money getting facials every week, you know? You could just do a little face mask like this. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes and I will see you guys back when I am done. So we're back and I went ahead and rinsed off the serum and my skin feels so soft and it looks a lot brighter and more radiant, so we are ready to get started. So I've been doing a better job lately at applying sunscreen before I apply my makeup. So the one I'm going to be using today is from Dear Dahlia. Oh my god, look at this packaging, it's so cute. So it's a cushion kind of applicator and you just push down and then it applies like onto the cushion and you can just kind of pick it up like that. I'm just gonna apply this onto my face. Moving on to primer, I'm taking an affordable one here. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Poreless Face Primer. I'm just going to take this with my hands and apply it onto my face. This makes the skin feel so smooth and silky. Honestly, it feels a lot like the Hourglass Veil one or the Benefit Professional. I know you probably can't tell on camera, but I can already see how that just made my pores look so much smaller. Like my skin just looks so smooth now, which means we are ready for foundation. I'm going to be using the Collab Oh So Fresh Skin Tint. And I'm going to take this gigantic beauty sponge. I believe this is from Flower Beauty. And I'm just going to apply some right there. Go ahead and blend this onto my skin. So today, as I'm filming this, I am about to leave for a road trip. So by the time you guys see this, I'm already to my destination. But I'm like trying to get ready so fast because I haven't even started packing. So everything is so last minute. But I wanted to be sure to film a video real quick for you guys so that way I can continue to upload while I'm still on vacation. So like as long as I get the filming part done, I can just edit while I am away. We're gonna spend Thanksgiving with the family, which I think, am I uploading this on Thanksgiving? It might be Thanksgiving when you guys see this. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Light Beige. So it's going to brighten up our complexion a little bit. So I'm gonna use this to highlight certain areas and features of my face. And just the same sponge to go ahead and blend that out. I'm getting like so nervous because my family is already packing the car and I haven't even packed my bag yet. Oh my goodness. Oh, to set the face now, I wanted to try out a new product that I got. This is from Pop Beauty, the Setting 101. So in here you have the translucent powder, the banana powder, and then a peach powder. I don't really see myself using the peach one, but the banana one for sure. So let's just take it on our sponge and just press that into the areas I want to set. Actually, that looks pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna go on my eyelids as well. I want to try a little bit of the translucent one. I want to see if it leaves like a white cast. Actually, no, the translucent one is great too. Not bad, not bad. Okay, now to contour. This is from Pop Beauty. This is the Contour 101. I have a luminous effect one and then a matte effect one. I want to start with the matte. So it says highlight blush. That does not look like a blush to me. And then sculpt. I think I'll take the blush shade and use that to slightly, you know, let's do a little mixture of the matte. So this one is the matte, this top one is the luminous. So I'm going to take the blush from the matte and then the sculpt from the luminous. A little mixture of both of those. We'll use that to contour with. Oh god, that's very red. That's very, very red. I guess that's my own fault for using the one marked as blush as my contour. We sort of have to just make it work somehow though. When in doubt, use a fluffy brush. Okay, so this brush is like super, super fluffy. I'm gonna take the sculpt one. You just wanna keep on blending, just keep on blending. For blush, let's go ahead and continue using the luminous one. Pick up this blush color, pop that on the cheekbones like that. Okay, and now we're gonna take the highlight. We'll just use a fan brush today. I haven't used a fan brush in a while. One thing I love about face palettes like this is that you know the combination of the blush, bronzer, highlight, you know they look good together. Now we can move on to the eyes. I'm gonna take the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil to fill in my brows. Actually, I'm gonna do this off camera since it's not that exciting. Okay, we are back and brows are on, and for the eyes, I wanted to use one of these Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. I got a bunch of these from their like horoscope collection or zodiac collection that they came out with. This is the water palette and it looks like this. It's so pretty. I love these blues over here. So I think I'm gonna do like a pop of blue on the waterline and then just keep it like simple and neutral on top. So I'm gonna take the darkest shade in here and I'm going to place that on the outer corner of my eye and then sweep it into the crease. So we're just gonna keep the upper lash line like super simple and easy. I forget how pigmented Wet n Wild is. That was a little more than I was anticipating, but no worries. The trick is to just keep blending. Next, I'm gonna take this lighter shade right next to it. I'm gonna just pick that on the same brush. And I'm going to place that right here on the lid. Kind of brighten up and highlight this space right here. And to highlight, I'm going to take the white shade. Oh my gosh, very, very lightly. With that shade, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Now, for the lower lash line, I want to go with this more teal, greenish, bluish color right here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm going to pop this on the lower lash line. Oh my gosh, in love, in love. Dude, if you guys haven't tried Wet n Wild yet, you need to. I mean, they are cruelty-free, hecka affordable, and I believe even vegan. So get on that. Use Wet n Wild, and they're so pigmented. Look at this. This is so pretty. My concealer is creasing up. That powder did not do a good job at setting my under eye concealer. That blue though is so pretty. For eyeliner on the lower lash line, I'm going to take the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine eyeliner in Sunrise Blue. What the heck? Longest eyeliner name ever. Oh, that's so pretty. This is definitely like a look you would wear going into summer, but whatever, it's fall. I'm gonna rock the blue on my lower lash line. For eyeliner on the upper lash line, I'm just gonna do a simple, am I gonna wing it out? I'm gonna do a little baby wing. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. I'm just going to quickly line my eyes here. Just a little baby wing over here. That's not a baby wing, but it's okay. Eyeliner done. Now I'm going to go off camera, do some mascara and lashes real quick, and we'll come back for the lips. For lipstick, I'm going to use this one from Mellow. This is the Nude Matte Lipstick. It's kind of pinky looking for a nude. And then for gloss on top, I'm going to use the Collab Glow with the Flow Lip Shine in Whatever. Ta-da! And that is this final look. I feel like this might be the first time you guys are seeing me with a center part. It doesn't happen often. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat get ready with me. I will have links to all the products I used in today's video down in the description box for you guys. And again, don't forget to check out the BioBell Cyber Week promotion as well as the JaaackJack exclusive kit with some of my favorite face masks from BioBell. So again, check the description box for all the information on that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I gotta get Zoe. She is barking up a storm.